He's like, stop, I'm watching Baby Einstein. Mom, please make it stop. Hi. 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 Can you say hi to Gomali? Say hi, Gomali.
You need to wave? Say hi?
Yes, hi.
Little. Wave. Gotta wave. Say hi. Like, Mom, I'm watching Baby Einstein.
Left the door open.
Leave me alone. She always does.
Is that dog going to out?
Is the door like wide open?
No, it's open like that much.
What one are you talking about?
Brig.
Front door.
The gate.
Brig, what's he doing? Look. Yeah. I love that foot. What you got in your mouth?
The other day he was faced this way and I turned on Baby Einstein and he hears a doot 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 and he goes. And then he worked his way all the way.
Look at this, look at this.
Oh. There's a door.
Oh, good night. He just licked my eyeball.
That's cute.
What are you watching?
Look at this is what he's watching.
It's like someone at home doing that. It's weird.
Oh, that was what she takes the pieces out and puts them back in. Yes, that's going to make you such a smart boy.
That's what he's so enthralled with right now.
Is that good? Do you like that? Is that your favorite part?
What channel is this? Channel 8?
This is Baby Einstein, Baby Mozart DVD.
Oh.
Ooh. Hi. Hi, handsome.
He keeps looking at me.
You're the most precious baby in the whole wide world.
Oh, that's yours. I'm sorry.
Hi.